6 natural oils that science has actually confirmed can restore skin firmness, combat sagging, and reverse that dreaded crepey texture that creeps up on so many of us as the years go by. And I want to walk you through every single one of them today, because this information genuinely changed the way I approach my own skincare routine. Hi, I'm DoctorLeana, and I've spent decades helping people understand what truly works when it comes to keeping skin healthy, resilient, and youthful, without always relying on costly procedures or harsh treatments. So if that kind of practical, science-driven approach resonates with you, make sure you subscribe so you never miss what I share here. Now, here's something most people don't realize. The loss of firmness and elasticity in your skin isn't just about getting older in a general sense. It's specifically about the breakdown of collagen fibers and elastin networks, the internal scaffolding your skin depends on to stay plump and smooth. And what researchers have been discovering is that certain plant-derived oils contain bioactive compounds, things like essential fatty acids, fat-soluble vitamins, and potent antioxidants that can actually penetrate the skin's surface and get to work supporting and even rebuilding those very structures. The first oil worth knowing about is rosemary oil, which most people associate with cooking or hair care. But rosemary contains a compound called rosmarinic acid, a powerful antioxidant that not only shields collagen and elastin from the oxidative damage that degrades them, but also inhibits the specific enzymes your body produces that accelerate that breakdown. And on top of that, rosemary has vasodilating effects, meaning it improves blood circulation to the skin, bringing fresh oxygen and nutrients to your cells so they can regenerate stronger and more resilient. The result is a noticeably firmer, more lifted look over time. And because it is potent, it should always be diluted into a carrier oil before applying to your face. The second oil is castor oil, and this one is chronically underrated when it comes to skin firming, despite being one of the most studied natural oils in existence. Its star compound is ricinoleic acid, a rare fatty acid that makes up nearly 90% of castor oil's composition and isn't found anywhere else in nature. And clinical research shows it activates prostaglandin receptors in the skin in a way that actually stimulates collagen production, while its deeply occlusive texture locks moisture into the skin, physically plumping out fine lines and increasing measurable skin thickness over time, making it an ideal overnight treatment you can apply generously and let absorb while you sleep. Third on the list is jojoba oil, and what makes jojoba scientifically fascinating is that it isn't technically an oil at all. It's a liquid wax ester, and that molecular structure makes it almost identical to your skin's own natural sebum, which means it absorbs beautifully without ever clogging your pores, and signals to your skin barrier that it's balanced, which actually helps regulate oil production whether your skin runs dry or oily. Beyond that, jojoba is naturally rich in vitamin E, which protects collagen and elastin from oxidative stress, contains trace iodine for antimicrobial protection, and delivers long-chain fatty acids that reinforce your skin's lipid barrier so it holds onto moisture more effectively. And since elasticity is directly connected to hydration levels in the skin, this translates into genuine, lasting improvement in how firm and supple your skin feels. The fourth oil is evening primrose oil, and this is where the research becomes especially compelling for anyone dealing with elasticity loss tied to hormonal changes. Evening primrose has an unusually high concentration of gamma-linolenic acid, or GLA, an omega-6 fatty acid that plays a direct structural role in your skin. And the key insight here is that as we age, our bodies lose the ability to efficiently convert linoleic acid into GLA, which is directly linked to skin thinning, crepiness, wrinkling, and loss of firmness. So, applying evening primrose topically essentially bypasses that failing conversion process and delivers GLA straight to the skin cells that need it. And multiple clinical studies have confirmed improvements in elasticity, moisture retention, and firmness in mature skin. Use it in your evening routine since it runs slightly heavier than the others. Fifth is grapeseed oil, which shows up in countless skincare products for good reason. It is one of the most lightweight yet science-validated oils available, packed with linoleic acid and a remarkable class of antioxidants called oligomeric proanthocyanidins, or OPCs, which research has found to be even more potent than vitamin C and vitamin E when it comes to neutralizing the oxidative stress that degrades elastin and collagen. And grapeseed also contains natural resveratrol, a compound studied extensively for its ability to regulate cellular aging and support cellular repair. The beauty of grapeseed is that it absorbs completely with zero oily residue and is genuinely compatible with every skin type, from dry and mature to oily and acne-prone. And finally, there is Bakuchiol oil, which DoctorLeana has been recommending as a gentler, plant-based alternative to retinol for some time now. Retinoids work by activating specific receptors in the skin to boost collagen production and accelerate cell turnover. But they come with well-known downsides, including dryness, peeling, and irritation that make them impossible for many people to use consistently. And Bakuchiol, derived from the bobchi plant, has been shown in clinical comparisons to activate many of the same pathways, improving collagen synthesis, strengthening elastin fibers, reducing fine lines, fading hyperpigmentation, and smoothing overall texture, but with a tolerability profile so much gentler that even sensitive skin types can use it nightly without issue, which means more consistent use and ultimately better results over time. Any one of these oils used consistently can make a real difference in the firmness, texture, and overall vitality of your skin. And using a thoughtful combination of them can amplify those results even further. I'll be linking my specific recommendations below, including some products that bring several of these together in one formula. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone who could use it. And drop a comment letting me know which of these you're most excited to try. Then, make sure you watch the next video coming up for even more ways to support your skin from the outside in, naturally and effectively.